This is a random video. I got it on WhatsApp without any titles. Looks like the main deity is Sri Narasimha Swamiji. Viewers, if you have any information, kindly help us by sharing the same in the comment box for the welfare of all.